Want to know how to check if someone blocked you on Telegram? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to check if someone blocked you on Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Telegram app on your screen and open any chat you wish to check if you are blocked or not. There are multiple ways to check if someone has blocked you on Telegram. The first step is to send them a message. If the message you have sent only has one tick mark and hasn't been read for a long time, then it means that you have been blocked. The another way to check if someone has blocked you on Telegram is to call them. If the call immediately fails, then it means that you have been blocked on Telegram. So this is how to check if someone blocked you on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.